Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change TikTok region. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, what we're going to do here, we'll go and open the TikTok app. And so whenever you open TikTok app here, we'll go and click on the profile down to the right bottom. In here, we'll go and hit these three lines. You can find them up the right corner. And then easily we'll click on settings and privacy. In here, for more information, also choose privacy option. And lastly, go to location services. Make sure to toggle the permission settings to never and then choose open device settings and now go for permissions and choose location. Make sure that location don't allow. And now go back again. And lastly, choose delete certain location data, confirm the deletion. And so whenever you delete your location data, change the region of your phone to make it on the country that we'd like to. And whenever you change the region on your phone, automatically will be reflected on the TikTok app. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.